Hello viewers, in this video I will talk about 5 good points of iPad 10th generation. So this video is going to be helpful for you. If you are planning to buy this tablet, then you should definitely watch this video till the end to know about the 5 good things of iPad 10th generation. The first thing is the display. It comes with 10.9 inches LCD display. The display quality seems to be very good, though there is gap between the touch panel and the upper glass. So if you look closely, you can notice the gap between the display and the upper glass. But still the display quality is excellent. I have tested the display along with Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and I noticed that the display of iPad 10th generation is more vibrant and color accurate. Also, the brightness and vibrancy is better on iPad 10th generation. So in this regard, you can definitely consider iPad 10th generation. The second thing that I like about iPad 10th generation is the processing power. It comes with a 14 Bionic chipset which is very powerful and it is a flagship chip from 2022. Actually, iPhone 12 series was based on a 14 Bionic chipset, so video editing and multitasking is a breeze on this tablet. I have edited many videos on this tablet and I noticed that the video rendering time is very less compared to Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus or Tab S7 FE Plus. The third thing that I like about this tablet is the battery life. I am getting an SOT of 9 hours plus, which is great considering the price point and also the display size. So if you charge it once with the 20-watt charger, it will give you around 9 hours plus screen on time. The fourth thing that I like about this tablet is the iOS software. It runs on iPad OS 17.5.1 and it is very smooth. Lots of features have been included along with every update. So if you want stable performance and also regular software updates, so iPad is the best choice for you. In Android tablets, especially tablets like OnePlus, Redmi, Realme, they don't bother to give you regular updates. Actually, Samsung is very regular in terms of giving software updates, but I would say that iPad OS is the best OS for tablets right now. So if you want a best software experience, you should definitely go for iPad. The fifth thing that I like about this tablet is the optimization of the apps. If you use this tablet, you will come to know that once you started using this tablet, you will not going to use any other Android tablet because apps are well optimized for iPad and iPhones. Each and every app looks beautiful on iPad, so you will have no problem using those apps. So these are the good points about iPad OS, but everything is not good about iPad 10th generation. The first bad thing that I will say about this tablet is the storage capacity. The base variant comes with 64 GB of internal storage, but after few days the storage will be filled up and you will feel insufficiency in terms of storage capacity. So if you want to buy the 256 GB, then in that case you have to pay another 15,000 rupees. That is very costly. So I would suggest you to go for the 64 GB version if you are on a tight budget. Plus, along with this tablet, you are not going to get any kind of iPencil. You have to buy it separately by spending another 7,000 rupees. So that's a very bad idea. In case of Samsung tablets, you will get the S Pen in the box free of cost. I have been making a video on full review of iPad 10th generation, so if you want to watch that video, stay subscribed. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends or family members. And if you have any questions regarding this tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.